Hey guys, Kevin Downey from Kevin M. Downey. Thanks so much for taking the time to be here today. Really appreciate it. This video, I got to straighten out my camera a little bit. This video, we're going to cover really quick. We're going to talk about organizing your chats, right? And how to use in Claude in particular, because I spend most of my time training clients on Claude. So you have, obviously, if you're not familiar, if you're new to AI, oh my gosh, I've got some great stuff out there for you. This will help too. But organizing your chats, you can star them, you can do projects, you can do all kinds of different things. You can put projects together and put all the chats into different projects. There's just so many ways to keep it really organized. Kind of works like an email inbox in some respects. Or there's other things I could say that I would compare it to, but very, very easy. And then on Claude, you have Claude Design as its own element. So everything in Claude Design is saved. For example, if I switch over to that, right, everything is in Claude Design like this, and so it's its own separate chats, right? So this is design elements of thumbnails, just as a test. When Claude Design launched, actually, it's really cool. But anyway, that is something, if you're not familiar with, jump in, play around with it. You know, play around with starring them, obviously, and then using projects. And then, of course, you know, you've got artifacts, which is when you do research in certain types of things, right? That's something that you can use to also keep things organized. Sorry, you have artifacts for whatever reason not showing up right here. But anyway, not for whatever reason that's not showing up. But anyway, if you need any help, have any questions, reach out to us, kevinmdowney.com. We do general AI training, little boot camps, if you will. We call them working sessions, work one-on-one with you, members of your team, on taking advantage of AI, how they can use it. I've got a whole training regimen, but also we customize it for each individual. So not just the company, but their role. What are their tasks? What are they doing? And it really work with them on the ways that they can use AI from a standalone or what we call manual use case fashion. And then if we need to get into integrated or agentic AI, obviously that's a separate conversation and we do that, okay? Thanks for being here. Best of luck in business in 26, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.